Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're taking a look at a serious beast in the projector space. This isn't your typical living room throw on Netflix type of gear. Nope, we're talking about the InFocus IN5534, a WUXGA DLP projector pushing 7,000 ANSI lumens of brightness. Yeah, this is high-performance gear for people who need next-level visuals in bright spaces, pro presentations, or massive installations. And if you're already sold on it, link in the description. Alright, let's get into it. So right off the bat, the IN5534 is unapologetically built for large venues. We're talking lecture halls, auditoriums, trade shows, anywhere you want your visuals to absolutely punch through ambient light. That 7,000 lumen rating isn't just marketing fluff. It translates to incredible visibility even when the lights are on. No need to black out the room just to get contrast. The image holds strong, with excellent legibility and color performance even under pressure. It's powered by DLP technology, and that's an important distinction. Unlike LCD projectors that can sometimes struggle with color uniformity and motion blur, DLP delivers razor-sharp images with fantastic color depth and great motion handling, whether you're throwing up static slides, video content, or even animation. And with a native WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, you're getting slightly more vertical real estate than 1080p, which is a win if you're into multitasking, KD, or detailed spreadsheet presentations. Now let's talk about design. The IN5534 has a kind of industrial elegance to it, sleek in a professional, understated way. It's got that matte black and gray chassis that doesn't scream for attention, but you know there's power underneath. But don't expect to move this thing around casually, it weighs in at over 50 pounds. This is a ceiling mount or custom rig type of deal. Once it's installed, it's staying put. One of the highlights for me is the lens shift and interchangeable lens system. That's right, this projector gives you flexibility in throw distances and installation configurations. Want a short throw for a compact space? Done. Need to hit a 300-inch screen from way across the room? It's got you covered. You've got both vertical and horizontal lens shift, zoom, and focus controls, all motorized, so getting a perfect image alignment is super easy. On the connectivity front, it's stacked. Dual HDMI, DVI-D, VGA, 5 BNC, RJ45, RS232, the usual suspects and then some. It's ready to integrate into professional AV systems. And if you're doing multi-display or edge blending, it supports that too. So whether it's a standalone unit or part of a full visual wall setup, this projector plays nice with others. The onboard menu system is clean, functional, and deep. There's fine control over color temp, gamma, and keystone correction, plus test patterns built in for alignment. And for maintenance, the dust-sealed optics and high-efficiency cooling mean you're not cracking this thing open every few months for cleaning. It's designed for long-term reliability in challenging environments. Now, for those of you who are wondering about the audio, yes, it has a built-in speaker. But let's be real. With a projector like this, you're almost always going to pair it with a real sound system. The onboard audio is serviceable for setup or quick tests, but this thing deserves better. Pipe the video into this, and the audio into a dedicated sound rig, and you're golden. In terms of lamp life, you're getting around 2,500 hours in standard mode, with eco mode pushing closer to 3,500. It's not LED or laser, this is traditional lamp-based projection, but with that comes the trade-off, raw brightness and color saturation that's tough to beat. You will eventually need to replace the lamp, but that's expected for this tier of performance. So who is the InFocus IN5534 for? If you're setting up a home theater, probably not. This is overkill for your living room. But if you're outfitting a conference center, museum exhibit, university auditorium, or need a projector for high-end corporate events, then this is absolutely the kind of gear you want to look at. It's reliable, flexible, and designed for professionals who need power and precision in one package. Also, little bonus. The image quality here is good enough that it could even be used in large-scale digital art installations or projection mapping setups. That's how clean and color-consistent it is. And yeah, it's not cheap, but for what it does, the price is well justified. It's a performance workhorse, and you get what you pay for. So that's the InFocus IN5534. Powerful, bright, versatile, and ready to dominate just about any venue you throw it in. If you're looking to buy this projector, check out the link in the description. It's all there: pricing, specs, and shipping details. This is Tech Jake, signing off. And as always, stay tuned, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ask ChatGPT.